Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedopot. Well, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. And guess what it does? It grows it so perfectly. Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful. In every way, it's beautiful. In every way. So what we do is that we manufacture self-growing planters that grow your food so you'll never ever have to worry about food again in your life. Food is not the issue. And so what we're doing is taking the power of growth and we're putting it into the citizens' hands. Guys, these are torpedo pots again. They've been running now for about 5 years, 8 years in some cases. And guess what? I don't do anything. I walk up to them. I brought, this is amazing. I bought, for $14, I bought little seedlings from my grower of this lettuce, better crunchy lettuce. And so for 40 plants for $14, and I stuck them in my torpedo pot. Again, all I did was I put my plants, plug it in, I turned that knob on the planter, adjusted it, and I only supplement once a week. And look what I get all of the time. It is so perfect. It's been growing now for days, and it doesn't like get old or anything. I can eat it anytime I want to. I don't have to refrigerate any of my food. I just come out and get my peas and I eat it. And my peas is growing with my lettuce. And they grow together so beautifully. So these are my peas. Guys, these are torpedo pots. I'll take my peas and I throw them down to the side like this. It's been raining. I'm just gonna push them down so I'll be able to see them better. And they will connect with each other. All right. Look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I just add a little bit of supplement, that, and let them come out. I want the peas to run down to the side, okay? And that should make for something very, very beautiful.